We're gonna smoke them when we get home. Hello, this is the Suburban Prepper. Below is an in-depth comparison of 4 popular clip-on thermal imagers: Rick's Tactical Re-MVC clip-on thermal imager, Jerry C5 clip-on thermal imager, Safran Optics 1 eCautai 2023 model, and the Kodi PAS 29A. Each of these devices offers unique features for military, law enforcement, or outdoor enthusiasts looking for enhanced tactical awareness and target detection. The Rick's Tactical RE-NVC is known for its high performance and versatility in challenging environments. Key features: resolution offers crisp 640 by 480 thermal resolution. It provides clear imaging in both pitch black and smoke-filled settings. Detection range: strong detection abilities up to 1,000 meters, suitable for medium to long-range engagements. Mounting mechanism: attaches seamlessly to a variety of night vision devices for quick setup. Battery life: operates for approximately 6 hours on standard CR123A batteries. Weight: lightweight design, around 200 to 250 grams, ensuring minimal added burden for extended use in the field. Price point: positioned in the mid to high price range, making it accessible for professionals seeking tactical grade reliability. Ideal for tactical professionals who require a robust, compact, and versatile clip-on thermal solution. The Jerry C5 is a lightweight, consumer-friendly option with an emphasis on both portability and performance. Key features: resolution, 384 by 288 resolution, adequate for general observations, but less crisp compared to some higher tier devices. Detection range, effective for distances up to 500 to 600 meters, making it more appropriate for short to medium range tasks. Mounting mechanism, flexible mounting options designed for a wide array of devices, ensuring compatibility. Battery life, approximately 5 hours on dual CR123A lithium batteries, striking a balance between power and runtime. Weight, one of the lightest options, around 180 grams, perfect for users valuing portability. Price point, affordably priced, excellent for users on a budget who still need reliable thermal imaging. Best suited for hobbyists, hunters, or smaller operations requiring mobile and cost-effective thermal imaging. Safran's eCautai 2023 is widely regarded as one of the most technologically advanced devices in the Kodi market. Key features: resolution, superior 640 by 512 thermal resolution with exceptional image clarity and contrast. Detection range, cutting-edge capabilities allow for detection beyond 1,200 meters, ideal for long-range surveillance or tactical applications. Mounting mechanism, developed with an advanced universal adapter for effortless integration with most modern night vision devices. Battery life offers up to 8 hours of continuous operation on advanced rechargeable battery packs. Weight, weighs around 220 grams, combining durability and convenience. Special features: advanced augmented reality overlays and display elements, waterproof and dustproof to military standards. Price point, positioned as a premium device, perfect for professionals who demand cutting-edge performance. The eCautai is the choice for military, law enforcement, and other users who prioritize high performance and advanced features in the field. The PAS 29A is a reliable, battle-tested thermal imaging device used extensively by defense organizations. Key features: resolution, solid 320 by 240 resolution, which gets the job done for standard tactical needs. Detection range, approximately 600 to 800 meters, ideal for short to medium range tactical operations. Mounting mechanism compatible with most U.S. military-issued night vision goggles, such as PVS-14 and PVS-15 devices. Battery life operates up to 6 hours on AA batteries, ensuring it is both cost-effective and field-ready. Weight, around 280 grams, slightly heavier, but ensures rugged durability. Special features, proven reliability in harsh environments. Designed specifically for military-grade durability standards. Price point, positioned as a mid-range option with excellent reliability for defense-related applications. A tried-and-true option for established professionals who need reliability and durability for challenging scenarios. Recommendations. For professionals seeking cutting-edge performance, opt for the Safran Optics One eCaudi 2023 model, which offers premium features like advanced augmented reality overlays, ultra-long detection range, and superior resolution. For cost-conscious buyers, the Jerry C5 balances affordability with solid performance for medium-range applications. For military-grade reliability, the Kodi PS29A is ideal for users needing a rugged, field-proven device for versatile, high performance. Choose the REX Tactical RENVC if you want a powerful device with excellent thermal resolution and detection range suitable for various applications. When choosing a thermal imager, consider your specific use case, budget, and operational needs. Whether you're in tactical operations or outdoor adventures, each of these devices stands out for its unique capabilities. The clip-on thermal imager, or Kodi, creates a lower-cost fusion of thermal and analog night vision. Every prepper and survivalist have different needs, but security should be the top priority. Suburban Prepper out. Suburban Prepper out row.
So this is my PVS-7, my Gen 3. Now there's a lot of light out here. And this is the good one here. And on top of it I've got my clip-on thermal. And we're going to turn that on right now. See, with the clip-on thermal you can pick up anyone walking, any heat signatures. Doesn't look like there's anybody around. So this is the single piece PVS-7. It's a whatever, I don't know, but it's a good one. Now, if there's anybody in that line of sight there, heat-wise, you could pick them up. I don't want to go look people's yards and scare anybody. But that's what it is. So, it's a good one.